Good morning, guys. We just checked out of our accommodation and now we are on a road again. Before we leave, we're gonna visit one last stop, which is a palace called Eggenberg. We're gonna leave for Vienna later. Thankfully, there's no one here yet, so it's quite empty. I think now it's about 8:30, so it's quite empty in the morning, so it's really nice. Look at those crafts. This is second floor of the palace, and here's the inner court. This is the best time to visit because there's nobody around. And we are traveling to Vienna now, but because our accommodation is only be ready by 2 p.m. in the afternoon, so on our way we're gonna stop by somewhere. We are on the way to Vienna and we are pumping petrol, so I decided to get this. This brand is quite famous. There was one day I was queuing in a restaurant in Algeria. There's a woman behind me. She saw me reading a travel book about Austria, but she introduced to me this brand that I should get when I'm in Vienna, so I thought that I should try a different one. I thought it's only have a waffle chocolate which is in a square shape or a round shape, but I never see this before, so I thought of getting this and try myself. Voila! Looks like this. So this is how it looks like. This is the oldest cafe in Vienna.